I'm Dr. Shaji, working as Senior Ayurvedicist in Saukya International Holistic Health Center. So today we are discussing about the integrative medicine and its efficacy. So before you, on behalf of this integrative treatment, I am presenting a case study here before you to show the efficacy of integrative treatment of different treatment systems. In Saukya, we are treating different cases actually with Ayurveda, homeopathy, naturopathy, yoga therapy, acupuncture, like all the holistic treatments. And this case study is an example from hundreds of success stories of Saukya treatments. And this study is about an alcoholic liver disease in which there are multiple health issues are presented actually. And this is about, this patient is a young gentleman of 29 years who completed engineering graduation from India and went to US for higher studies. He was severely addicted to alcohol and smoking, and his daily intake of hard liquor was about an average of 750 ml. And there was a lot of other nervous system disturbance due to the high alcohol, severe tremors of hands, loss of balance, disturbed sleep, like those issues, and psychological issues like irritation, anger. He don't want to talk with anybody, don't want to, and the diminished memory and lack of concentration, like those issues, and metabolic issues like loss of appetite, like those issues, and behavioral changes also. So in liver disease, actually, Ayurvedic treatments are very effective. But when treating such a condition with a lot of additional complications, we think an integrative approach will be effective. So we treated him with an integrative approach, treated with Ayurvedic treatments along with homeopathy, naturopathy, acupuncture treatment, yoga, counseling, hypnotherapy, and even nutritional treatments. So when on examination, these were the signs and symptoms related with this nervous system disorders, psychological issues, and metabolic changes actually. And this was the diagnosis: alcoholic liver disease and chronic alcohol and tobacco addiction. So before treatments, we done a complete blood study that is on 16/8/2010. So you can see the hemogram itself showing the symptoms of alcoholic liver disease with a low platelet count, mean platelet volume low, and normocytic, normochromic blood picture with leukopenia and thrombocytopenia and high ESR. And his cholesterol level was high, it was 349, and HDL was very high, 140, LDL 149. So all this showing actually the metabolic changes, metabolism is very severely affected, and the liver function tests, potassium and chloride were low, and in urine ketones and protein were detected. Vitamin B12 and folic acid were normal, but vitamin D3 was low. So we treated with this with all these integrated treatments. And after 10 days, we repeated one more blood test. It showed the total bilirubin and direct bilirubin came to normal value. Then SGOT, which was 462, it came to 66. SGPT is 87. Alkaline phosphatase to 138. And gamma GT from 2183 to 890. And after another 13 days, we done one more study which showed the blood picture also came to normalcy and ESR reduced to 9. And you can see except gamma GT, all the other liver function values came to normal, and gamma GT from 2182 came to 249. And total cholesterol from 300, above 300, it came to 179. And triglycerides was marginally high. HDL cholesterol also reduced. HDL and LDL cholesterol. During his stay, he had severe withdrawal symptoms. And during the stay, actually craving for alcohol and cigarettes stopped. He didn't consume alcohol at all for the 28 days. 28 days he stayed in Saukya and had the treatments. And he did not smoke actually for the last 25 days. And tremors stopped completely. His sense of balance improved, sleep improved to 6-7 hours deep sleep, and appetite also improved. So after 28 days, we discharged, and he went back to Bombay. And from Bombay, he repeated the blood test. You can see the lipid profile. It came to normal. And all the liver function tests were normal actually. But they didn't done the gamma GT that month. And after again, this is November 12th, after 2 months, one more blood test done from Bombay. You can see the serum SGOT came to 30, serum SGPT to 23, and gamma GT to 45. This is a liver function test comparative study. So within this 3 months, SGOT from 442 came to 30, SGPT from 145 to 23, alkaline phosphatase from 214 to 76, bilirubin total from 1.84 to 0.9, bilirubin direct 0.72 to 0.41, bilirubin indirect 1.12 to 0.49, gamma GT from 2186 to 45, lactate dehydrogenase from 353 to 150, later test we not done, albumin 4.7 to 3.5, and globulin 3.5 to 4.5. So actually this result is from that integrative holistic treatment with this Ayurvedic, homeopathic, naturopathic, acupuncture, yoga, counseling, hypnotherapy, and nutrition. And in this, the de-addiction treatment, the de-stress treatment, then to normalize the metabolism, to normalize the psychological and behavioral changes, and to normalize the nervous system disorders, and to normalize the liver function, all this worked with this integrated treatment. So integrated treatment can do such a wonderful thing actually, can give a wonderful result from Saukya, hundreds of Saukya successful stories. We know that, and I am presenting on behalf of you this successful story because We want to think about how this integrative treatment we can improve actually. And this result is from that teamwork from different systems of medicine with the leadership of Dr. Isaac Mathai. So I am presenting this case study for your discussion.